이번에 내는 앨범은 미국에서 내는 두 번째 앨범이고요. 장르적으로 다채롭게 꾸몄던 것 같아요. 솔직하게 얘기하면 제 목소리가 굉장히 좋게 나왔어요. 그래서 제 파트 잘 들어주셨으면 좋겠습니다.
Holding my breath and then I count to 10. On to the next, that's what my mother said. I wish you the best with somebody new, but they'll never love you like I do. They say, let's just dance. You need to shake yourself down, 'cause I know that you've been missing me, missing me. And every time you say please, I'ma pull you on your knees, on your knees. Come on this juice, on this juice. Till I'm out of breath, till my lungs cave in. Give up all of me, do it all again. Every day I'm a little more obsessed. You know that you got me. Just a little more tied to your body. Never settle. You broke me, don't trust nobody when they're lonely. I swear your kiss is laced with codeine. I should've listened when they told me you're tragic, the way you headed to the blacklist, selling your soul in empty mansions. I really thought we had it. 6 months just gone, first words on the tip of my tongue. Hello, where you from? And some joke that you thought was so dumb. New place, you moved on, you moved in. Tell me baby don't call, but still text late night. And it's funny thinking about your bedside. Pieces and pieces of us on the floor. We said enough and now there's nothing more to say. Don't tell me your secrets, I don't wanna know. It's hard to imagine you before. Don't tell me. And I think I drank my body away. Call my ex up on a payphone, a payphone. Looking for a heart to break. I know I should probably stay home, stay home. And I regret to you stay on the west side. Don't get how you're on mine. From the 213 West Coast royalty. I can never say no unless you say so. There's a part of me I wish you didn't see, but I love you. I feel you looking at me, you try to hide it. I wanna know what you see, I bet you like this. Dying to know, is it me you want? Let me dance you off. Take a chance, let's get it on. I blow your mind up. It's hard not to believe it, but don't you get the feeling? Remember that moment, turn on like a light. You had nothing on paper, it was all in your mind. If you're still smiling, we're on my to go. If you've got the answer, let us all know. It's finding the gold.